G'day guys, I thought I'd just do a quick video to show some of the cable guard protectors that we've purchased for our Christmas light display this year. Now last year I had my main control box over there and I had a differential receiver sort of over on the fence over here, and I had to run the cables right around. I did look at going overhead, but it was a bit tricky. So I purchased a couple of these. I think they're marketed as a cable ramp protector. They're made from a fairly dense sort of plastic. It looks like a bit of recycled plastic, and they've got a cool couple of channels up inside them, so you can quite easily, if you wanted to, run a power cable on one side and your Ethernet or cat cable on the other. They come in a 1 meter length. I purchased 3 of them. They've got a nice little interlocking feature for each one. I'll just push them off there so you know they groove into each other. They do have a bit of weight to them, so they feel nice and sturdy. They are, as I said, each one is about 1 meter long. I'll just try and get our measuring tape out for you. Yeah, just under 1 meter long, about 890 mil, and I think they're about 250 or so. Yeah, about 250 mil wide, and you can see about 45-50 mil high. So they should be able to drive over them all okay. So that's what we're going to use. So they nice little channel in them to run our cables up, keep it nice and safe. Another quick thing which I sort of also used, I did have one cable running across my footpath, so I had some of these smaller just walk over type cable guards. Now these are just a cheap one. There again, they're 1 meter, but they're only designed for foot traffic, and I reckon these would be okay to drive over. They seem very sturdy. Alright guys, that's just a quick snapshot of what's going on. See you, bye.